We at Improvement Cymru are proud to reflect on the fantastic work that we've been able to achieve over the last 12 months in partnership with our partners and colleagues across NHS Wales.
We're excited to be able to share with you our first ever annual report, which showcases some of the important improvements the NHS in Wales has been working on to deliver safe, effective and reliable care.
In the last year, we launched a Safe Care Partnership with NHS Wales, Health Boards Trust and IHI to accelerate the pace and scale of improvements in patient safety on a national scale.
We undertook a national discovery phase for a new NHS Wales maternity and neonatal safety programme.
Our partnership with the Wales Cancer Network has strengthened as we continue to support work towards improving the time in the cancer pathway.
We've developed and delivered dementia care outcome measures training to over 1,000 colleagues to support mental health services.
We developed resources for people with a learning disability, launched online training and co-produced an accessible vaccines campaign.
We are also delighted to have increased our improvement training portfolio by developing 5 new courses which are available now to our colleagues across health and social care.
All of this and much more. We're proud to be making a difference with our colleagues across NHS Wales and our partners. Together we are driving forward system-wide improvements across the nation. Please read and share our annual report to learn more about the improvement work that is flourishing across the system and also to find out about us joining the new NHS Wales executive over the coming year. This will bring exciting new opportunities for collaboration and improvement for us and for NHS Wales.